Hello there and welcome to this comprehension exercise, and this is based on a gentleman called Ian Fleming. So who was Ian Fleming? Ian Fleming was the author of the original books about the spy, probably the most famous spy in the world, called James Bond. And James Bond always has this code called 007. So you may have read his books, or you may have actually watched some of the movies. I'm not sure, but there you go. James Bond is a very, very popular fictitious spy character. And some of these movies that are made every few years or so basically make multi-million pounds every single year. And a lot of people go and watch them in the cinema, or they watch James Bond at home. And you may have done so. If you haven't, don't worry. Ian Fleming was the man who actually produced the character James Bond. And he wrote the character, the fictitious character, made-up character, in a story in books. And those books then went on later on to become movies. And it just gives you a biography on Ian Fleming about his life, and the fact that during World War II, he was actually an assistant to the director of naval intelligence, and his code name at the time was 17F. Maybe that's where he probably got his inspiration to write these books. So read this entire information in detail, and you've got some questions thereafter where you can answer. And in our next class, we'll be going through this homework in detail. Good luck.